The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Krasny Liman direction, active actions by units of the Center Group of Forces and artillery fire inflicted damage on the manpower and military equipment of the enemy near Yampolovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. More than 95 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, 1 Akatsiya self-propelled artillery system, 1 D-30 howitzer and 1 US-made M-777 artillery system have been neutralized in this area during the day. In total, 401 airplanes, 220 helicopters, 3,418 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,293 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,057 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,350 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,924 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.